Papasok na po tayo sa ating third set. Look at the numbers now for EDU. Nandun pa rin yung errors, marami pa rin yan. Pero yung service points sila talaga has just been spectacular.
Actually, may pagka-consistent ka dahil 6 nung una, 6 na naman ngayon.
Oo.
Except that Arellano was able to do one more with 2 service points. Pero yung, once again, ako, nakukulangan pa nga ako sa attack points ng National University.
Puro depensa na rin ginagawa nila rin ngayon eh.
Diba? Kung
Oo.
ako lang titingin, dapat mas marami pa silang attack points dyan.
Well,
But
you know
then
what?
again, of course, para at least a win is a win. So, 2 sets na for National University so far.
You know, the person that we're missing from this lineup right now, looking at it, Kaine Pomuceno.
Oo, wala pa nga dyan. At
Here's
mukhang wala
Dada.
rin siya dun eh.
Wala rin siya
Sa bench
dito.
ngayon, baka naman na...
Hindi, graduate na rin kasi si Kai, di ba? So,
tama.
pwede siyang magtrabaho. Katulad natin, pwede na rin tayo magtrabaho.
Tayo nga eh, magtrabaho na lang tayo. yun nga yun. Although nandito siya sa lineup.
Right. Dindin, yes.
Dindin Santiago with that all too familiar running hit of hers.
Hindi mo malaman kasi sa pwesto ni Dindin. You know, she's got the height of a center, but she's got the abilities of an open hitter as well. Tikar. And that one is a little off there coming from Captain Osorio.
Well, so far Dindin Santiago, 11 points for her. Pablo with 9, Ordaz with 7, and Chacha Santiago with 8.
There's that wicked serve by Ruby once again. King Balse. Myla Pablo, Ruby De Leon. Here's Aiko Ordaz again. Boy, Ordaz has just really filled in that spot of Kaine Pomuceno and done a really good job.
On the other side naman, Balse with 9 points already. Bautista having, struggling with 4 points. Sagun with 3 and Henson with the same number.
De Leon. Ordaz for Dindin. Bautista. Tikar. Balse. Dagapay Pablo. Here's Dadang. Tikar pushing away King Balse again.
Medyo mahirap yun, ha?
And wow, Ordaz again. Oh, still kept alive, however. Tikar sends it across. Reyes. Ordaz, relentless.
Ibiza on that defense.
Osorio. Dadang. Ang haba na ng rally na to. Dadang on the push. And Dadang crosses over.
At doon natapos sa
Doon
violation.
natapos eh, no?
Sa violation natapos.
Naubusan ng brake fluid si Simon Dadang that time. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. For me, sa Arellano, the most impressive player so far has been this young lady.
Oh, lalo na dyan sa posisyon na yan.
Right, when she's serving. Again, good one. Here's Aiko Ordaz. And Ordaz has just decided to take over. May lakad pa yata to, hindi pa nagsisimba. O may dinner dyan sa isang taco place na kung saan tayo dadalhin ni Andre Mulya mamaya. Yan, Barry Pascua, di ba? Oh, nakita ko yung pamangkin mo, tinakbo ng pizza.
Parang blocking lang, kinocommit mo si Ann. Kailangan may commit.
Ganun yun. Tikar. Eto na si Santiago. Tikar once again. Quick set this time for King Balse. And it's wide.
Wide for Ging. Ging is trying to make it really quick. Alam mo yun? Para maiwasan yung matatangkad na blockers ng National University.
Lumipat na yung isa sa likod. May pumalit na mas matangkad sa harapan. 6'2" din.
Look at the front line.
Yeah.
Hindi naman din kaliitan itong si Ordaz at si Dadang.
That's right. Reyes. De Leon. Dadang. Oh, wow. Where did Reyes come from?
Hindi naman na tayo magtataka dyan.
Ayan na naman si Jen. Alam mo, sarap panuurin lang talaga. Jen Reyes all over the floor.
Ito, parang nagsasorry pa siya eh. Kung iisipin natin,
Imposible na yun eh.
napakahirap nang ang kunin eh.
Oh. Balse. Oh, ayan na.
Ayun na naman siya sa harap. Nagagaling lang sa
Just a
likod.
joy to watch Jen Reyes. Pero ito, lumalaban na itong Arellano here in the early goings of the third set, ha?
Tapos pati naman siya, parang wala lang.
5-4. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shake East B League. Reyes, De Leon, ang daming target. Napunta kay Ordaz. One more time around for Ordaz. Sagon, Osorio, Reyes. Dadang. Tikar. Osorio into the net. I have a feeling na itong si Lexil Osorio, if she gets used to playing in the Shakey's V-League, could really score a lot of points.
Well, alam mo, Arellano, because newbie sila, alam mo yung mga adjustment niya na matagal na sanay itong NU na, no? So, ito, nasa adjustment period
And
pa
you
lang.
have to remember also, when NU came in here, ganun din sila.
Yes, correct. I was going to say that nagkaroon din sila nung ganung moments nila, di ba?
Right.
Ngayon, ang Arellano nandiyan, nag-adjust na sila having guest players inside. And I would think that some of them are also new players
Right.
sa Arellano. Kasi nabanggit nga natin kanina, si Henson came from FEU, etong si Sagon came from NU.
Right.
And that was just reset, di ba?
Oo.
So, ang daming adjustments pa ang nangyayari dito sa Arellano.
And that one goes through. So Sagon going through Jaja Santiago that time. So ito ngayong si Dana Henson to serve. Hinahanap ko yung real name nito si Jaja. Aiko. De Leon. Myla Pablo. Nice dig by Balse. Tikar back set. And Reyes tried to swim. Tried to swim for the ball. And everybody's
naririnig
appreciative
ko
of
na
that.
naman yung appreciation ng crowd, ng volleyball fans.
Grabe yung Jen Reyes talaga, no?
Oh.
And you have to also remember that it was actually, ito yung storya rito, it was actually Jen Reyes who got Kaine Pomuceno into NU. Kaine Pomuceno was actually a walk-on sa FEU, but didn't see much action. Myla Pablo is boxed out by Ruby De Leon and sent straight to Coach Maquipuela.
Yan ang sabi naman ni wag ka haharang-harang pag si Ruby Romara ka sana yan.
Baka nag-a-apply si Ruby De Leon mag-assistant coach sa Miria. Tied at 7. Pero continuing my story, na si Kaine Pomuceno, they're both from Bulacan actually. Nag-meet sila sa isang liga. Diba? Tapos si Kai became close to Jen Reyes, and Jen said, may opening sa eskwelahan namin. Why don't you try it out? And it turned out to be NU. Kaine Pomuceno became part of the team, and we have a